Sleepwalker, you enter my dreams. When I drift off, you keep out the bad things.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What is up? It's been a minute. Let's get real here. Yeah, sorry for being so MIA. I don't really have a valid excuse. I mean, yeah, it's coming up on holiday season and life has been crazy busy, but let's get real. That's not an excuse for being MIA for like 3 months. So I have a New Year's resolution to upload more frequently. I haven't made a schedule yet, but definitely upload more frequently. And I'm the type of person that I don't like to set a New Year's resolution and start it like January 1st. I like to already have my habit like in place come January. So it is 2 days till December 1st. And I'm going to get in the swing of things. So right now I'm just pulled up at work. It is a Wednesday. I'll probably be here till 8 o'clock tonight at the salon. And then I have off tomorrow. There's a chance I'm going to Altoona. We're getting propane in our house. So all kinds of stuff. I'm just vlogging with you. So that is what is up. It's going to be basically a vlog of a ton of updates. Because like I said, it's been a minute since I've been with you guys. Just wanted to make my intro while I like actually have makeup on and don't look like trash. And yeah, so that's where we're at. I'm not sure what the next clip is gonna be, but thanks for tuning in, guys.
Sleepwalker, you enter my dreams. When I drift off, you keep out the bad things. I'm not afraid to close my eyes when you hold me. Sleepwalker, leave the light on for me.
Hi, baby. You guys can't see her down here. She's just going to pose at me. Hi, mamas. Say hi. You smell like wet dog. Ew. Anyway, good morning. It is Thursday, so it's my day off today, and it is 9:20 in the morning. I got up this morning, played with Lux a little bit, and then picked my mom up for work, dropped her off. Now I am starting my own morning, actually, and I'm gonna make some coffee, kind of chill out, read my Bible a little bit. I don't think I'm gonna be able to go to Altoona today. I mean, for me, it's like a 2-hour drive, and it is still snowing. I just don't want to risk it. I really want to go see Anessa, but it's a little too snowy for that, I think. So anyway, I'm just gonna take you on my day. I'm probably gonna be like at my house the rest of the day. I don't have any, since I'm not going to Altoona, I don't plan on going anywhere else. I think we're gonna make some stir fry for dinner. I have some dishes, some laundry and stuff to do, so that's what we're gonna do. But to start, we need a nice cup of coffee, so let's do that. So for my coffee, I have a reusable K-cup, and then I just use the Maxwell House coffee. And then in my coffee, I usually add literally the tiniest bit of Splenda, and then I use sweetened almond milk as my coffee creamer. Hi. Look how big our little baby is. You guys can compare to how little she was in my I Got a Puppy video. She was so tiny, like she was literally probably like this size. Yes. Oh, baby. So she loves my days off. She loves being out of her pen all day and just playing and getting belly rubs, don't you? So today is Thursday. It is my day off, and I am basically getting shit done. I haven't had like a good solid day off in quite a while, and by that I mean like I'm supposed to have every Monday and Thursday off because I work 12-hour days, Tuesday and Wednesday. And so I've been covering shifts for girls, so I will do desk when the receptionist is away, or I'll be running my mom or my sister or Black Friday shopping, or it's just all kinds of stuff. We have been crazy busy in our lives, so this is my first like real like sit down, enjoy your day off, like actually at home day off. To start, I'm going to just make my to-do list, so that way I know what I need to get done today. Made my little to-do list here. Just a little tip for you guys: if you don't have a notebook designated to like a brain dump, I 110% would suggest it. This notebook here, I keep in my kitchen, and I just write literally everything in it. So like from budgets before we moved out, like a brainstorm, and it does not have to be fancy. Like literally this is such a brain dump. Like questions for before we moved in, like a packing list, to-do list laid out a little differently, like by the week. So I don't know why I didn't just use a planner, but apparently it worked better that week. Having like a brain dump notebook is such like a breath of fresh air to me. It is just an easy way that you're like, okay, like I know I need to get stuff done, but like where do I even start? Just write it down, and as you go, just scribble, scratch, cross it off, add new. It is so convenient. So I'm just gonna read you guys my to-do list for the day. I'm getting propane at 10:30. I want to kind of make some New Year's goals and then talk about that with you guys. Max and I are having a housewarming Christmas party this year, so I want to start planning that. I have to edit. I have a video I need to upload. I want to set up my planner for December, and I have to mail my rent checks. Ooh, which I should probably do that. I hope the mail didn't go. I feel like the mail already went. I'm going to talk to you about my kind of New Year's plan, just like before the propane guys get here, because once they get here, I'm probably not really going to vlog because they'll be like, what's this girl doing talking to herself? So I briefly touched on this yesterday. Let me explain a little bit. I am the type of person that I like to already be in the routine by the time the new year comes around. So I don't want that like almost bitter, like hateful feeling the beginning of the year. Like new year, like let's start fresh. And by fresh, I mean like good mindset fresh too. So for example, if you set your goal as like, come January 1st, I'm going to join the gym. I'm going to go to the gym 5 times a week. I'm going to eat healthy, and I'm going to write in my journal every single day. You have to get in a routine to make your body enjoy what you're doing. So that first month is not going to be fun. It's simple as that. So why start January creating a habit that you are going to have a hard time creating? Like make the beginning of January like a breeze, nice and easy. So I like to start at the beginning of December. So like I'm gonna make a list, but for example, like I want to start working out like 4 to 5 times a week. I would like to make more home cooked meals, eat out less, and limit myself to like 1 cup of coffee a day, like these kind of things. So if I start working out at the beginning of January, I'm gonna get down on myself if I only work out once a week or twice a week because it was such a busy week and I'm just not in the habit of prioritizing it. So why should I get down on myself at the beginning of the year when it's new year, new you? You should be happy. You should be enjoying what's going on. I guess what I'm saying is I'm already getting out of that rut of my new habit in December. So come January, I'm in that great mindset. I have my good habits started, and they are habits by the time the new year rolls around. I don't know if that makes any sense. That's something I tried a little bit last year and it worked really great. So I'm gonna apply it even more this year. I just want my New Year's resolutions to already be in full swing by the time the new year comes around. On that note, let's write down what we want for the new year.
Sleepwalker, you enter my dreams.
I have propane! Yay! You guys haven't even seen my house before. Hold on. We're gonna do like an actual Christmas tour. And this is in the works. It's our gallery wall, which I'm actually obsessed with. But we're working on it. Like I have a picture that where's my finger? Like I have a picture I want to put here yet. But yeah, so this is our gallery wall. This is our great room. Basically a living room and a dining room. That's why it's called like a great room, not just a living room, I guess. Ready? we have a fire. Max and I are going to do a Q&A of like questions that you guys have about like moving in with your significant other. Like Max and I aren't married yet, so kind of moving in with them, adjusting to living with your significant other, boyfriend or girlfriend. How we got a house so young. For those of you that don't know, I literally just turned 20 like 10 days ago, and Max has just turned 20 as well. So we are 20-year-olds, we own a house, and we are just living life. So we're gonna answer some questions on that because we've been getting quite a few. So if you have any questions about like how we're doing what we're doing, or like, you know, just like our living situation, how we're like budgeting, how we're adjusting everything, go ahead and comment them down below. Oh, and then we're gonna do a home tour. I think I'm gonna do the house tour right before our Christmas party. So we're gonna have our like housewarming Christmas party December 29th, and I would like to have it filmed and actually upload it the same day. That way, like when we have our housewarming like in real life, you guys can have like be a part of the housewarming through like YouTube. It sounds super cheesy, but I think that'd be fun to like unveil our house to everyone like the same night. I think that would be so fun. So that's kind of my plan there. So I'm not really sure what else I'm gonna do today. I'm hungry. I still haven't eaten breakfast. It is 12:01. I have my sheets in the washing machine and I have my dishes in the dishwasher. So I'm just gonna probably chill out for a little bit. See you in the next clip. Also, real quick, I just want to show you guys, I just decided to just use my Erin Condren planner for December and probably forever until it's done. But that's going to be on my New Year's resolution or bucket list, or not bucket list, on my goal list or my habits for December, is to actually use my planner. So this is just kind of an overview. I don't do anything fancy. I really don't. I highlight our bills. I write the fun things in the color that matches the month. I put birthday stickers on. The pink is when I have to turn in my my pay at work. Just kind of enhance the big days, and that's about it. And like like I have to give Lux her medicine this day. I always write that in, and kind of like a little bit of to-dos. Basically, this is a small version of that big planner that I showed you that we have on the wall. And just going through, I highlight. So I break it down. I think my very first spread that I didn't need to use, I kind of broke down how I do it. It's really chicken scratched. So basically this top box is like my to-do lists. This middle box is like what is going on that day. And this bottom I block off just for work. And then the bottom is my gratitude log. So that's a little summary, like really rough scratched of how I break down my planner. So back to December, you can see, well, yeah, I'll just go to December and you can see. Like, so Monday, I just planned. So this is today. I want to clean, decorate, wash my bedding, and I'm filming. I had on the schedule that propane was coming at 10:30, and it's also Kim's birthday, and I don't work, so obviously that's not done. I do highlight the days I work because I track my assisting because I get bonus for that. Also, how cute is this cover? It's rose gold succulents. Oh, yes, please. So anyway, it'll probably be about dinner time next time I check in with you guys, because otherwise this is literally, well, I don't know when I'll check in with you next. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Eyes when you hold me. Sleepwalker, moonlight on for me.
Alright guys, I kind of slacked off at the end of the vlog, but I mean, what's new? So I'm just gonna wrap it up here because I started editing and I already have like 28 minutes of footage. So till I get that cut down, I'm gonna have a pretty lengthy video already. So we're just gonna stop it here while I have a good theme for the vlog, and yeah.
And I think that's gonna wrap up the day. So take it easy rolling into the weekend, and as always, subscribe. Peace.
Bye.